As a skincare store, you'd like to recommend a routine composed of a cleanser, a toner, a serum, and a moisturizer. Let's add a slots block and create 4 different slots for each of the products. You can edit the slot name, add a description, and select how many products should be recommended in each slot. Slots won't work unless you assign collections to each of them. It's how they know which products to choose. Make sure that the products in these collections are linked to the answers in the quiz. Otherwise, the slots will produce empty results. Follow the same steps to create a morning routine. Voila! You've just created a dynamic result page for your beauty quiz.